It's 100 degrees outside, you step into your car, you crank the AC to max, and wait. Wait. Still blowing warm air, still struggling, still uncomfortable. Here's what most drivers don't realize. Your car's AC should cool down fast and stay ice cold, if it's working right. But, you know, small habits, hidden clogs, and easy-to-fix issues are silently killing your AC's performance. In this video, we'll break down how to make your AC blow twice as cold using genius, simple tips. No expensive tools, no full AC recharges, just smart tricks that actually work. Let's get into it. Tip number 1. Never start the AC while idling. When you first get in your car, don't start the AC immediately while the engine is idling. Why? Because your AC compressor runs off the engine's power. It's weakest at idle. If you switch it on while parked, you're just wasting time blowing barely cool air. So, what should you do instead? Well, first, roll down your windows. Then start driving and let the air flush the cabin heat for about 30 to 60 seconds. After that, while you're moving, go ahead and switch on the AC. You'll honestly feel cold air faster, guaranteed. Tip number 2. Set your AC to recirculate mode. This one's honestly a game changer. Most people just leave their AC on fresh air mode by default, but that means your system is actually pulling in hot, humid outside air and trying to cool it over and over again. Instead, switch to recirculation mode. This keeps recycling the cooler, drier cabin air, which really helps the AC chill it more efficiently. In tests, cars on recirculate mode cooled the cabin twice as fast. So, how do you know if your car is in recirculation mode? Well, just look for the little symbol of a car with an arrow looping inside. If you notice it's off, make sure to turn it on every time. Here's tip number 3. Clean or replace your cabin air filter. You know, this is often the most overlooked reason why your AC might feel weak. Your cabin air filter is busy collecting dust, pollen, moisture, and even mold. A clogged filter means less airflow, more strain on the blower, and unfortunately, hotter and stinkier air. Now, if your AC isn't blowing hard or there's a musty smell, it's time to check your filter today. Typically, it's located behind the glove box, takes just 5 minutes to access, and costs between $10 to $20 to replace. So, here's a quick pro tip. Try using a carbon-activated or HEPA filter for some extra freshness in your car's cabin air. It really makes a difference. Alright, tip number 4 is to shade the cabin before you start your drive. If your car's been baking in the sun, your AC has to fight against cabin temperatures that can reach over 140 degrees. That means it's going to take a lot longer to cool down, and your compressor's working way harder than it needs to. So here's what you can do instead. Use a reflective windshield shade, crack the windows just an inch, or if you can, park under trees or use window tints if that's legal where you live. These small changes lower cabin temperature by 20 to 30 degrees before you even get in. That gives your AC a head start and cools you faster. Tip number 5, spray the AC condenser with water. This is a secret trick used by mechanics and fleet drivers. Your AC condenser, the part that cools refrigerant, is located right in front of your radiator. When it gets clogged with dust, bugs, or leaves, it can't cool effectively. Pop the hood. Use a garden hose to gently spray the front of the radiator and condenser. You'll wash off the gunk, instantly improving heat transfer. Just be careful not to use high pressure or damage the fins. In hot climates, this alone can make your AC feel 10 to 15% colder. Tip number 6. Don't blast the fan immediately. I know, it's really tempting to crank the fan to max right away, but that's actually a mistake. Your AC works best when the evaporator gets cold first. If you blast the fan too soon, you're just pushing warm air into the cabin and overworking the system. So, instead, set the AC to medium for the first 1 to 2 minutes. Let the system stabilize a bit. Then, once you feel cold air starting to flow, you can go ahead and increase the fan. This way it's smoother, faster, and colder. Tip number 7, use auto mode if you have it. A lot of cars these days have an auto setting on the AC, and honestly most people never even touch it. But it's not just about making things easier. Auto mode actually uses internal sensors to adjust the fan speed and air direction, giving you maximum cooling efficiency. So, here's what happens. It starts off strong, then gradually tapers down as your cabin reaches the temperature you set. That means you get less wasted energy and colder overall performance. Just give it a shot for a week. You'll definitely notice the difference. Bonus genius, tip recharge only if necessary. If all else fails and your AC still blows lukewarm, your refrigerant may actually be low, but don't rush out and buy a do-it-yourself recharge can just yet. Here's why. Overfilling refrigerant can really damage your system. Plus, the real issue could be a leak, a bad compressor, or even a clogged orifice tube. If your AC gradually got warmer over time, get a pressure check first. Most auto parts stores will do it free or for pretty cheap. If it's low, have it professionally evacuated and recharged to the right spec. Honestly, it's better than risking a $1,200 repair with just a $30 can. Now let's recap, alright? Start the AC while you're driving, not when you're idling. Always switch to recirculation mode. Replace your cabin air filter regularly. Shade your car before you use it. Clean the condenser with water. Start with medium fan speed, not max. Use auto mode for smart cooling, and only recharge if it's truly needed. These simple tricks can double your AC's cooling power without replacing a single part. No gimmicks, no expensive tools, just smart habits and a little maintenance. If this video helped make your car cooler, literally smash that like button. Comment below, what AC trick do you swear by in summer heat? And don't forget to subscribe to Gear Specs for more no-nonsense car care, faceless breakdowns, and DIY tips to keep your ride ice cold and road ready. Because it's not just about staying cool, it's about driving smarter.